Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we're on a mission to get the harsh chemicals out of our homes and bring in nature with 7 natural cleaning recipes. Before we start, take a second and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. These recipes use simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils that are just as effective as store-bought cleaners, but without the harsh chemicals. Let's begin, shall we? Our first recipe is a true workhorse, just like our reliable, hard-working hands. This all-purpose cleaner can be used on most surfaces in your home. In a spray bottle, simply combine equal parts water and vinegar. If you prefer a touch of fragrance, a few drops of your favorite essential oil can be added. Imagine tackling your kitchen counters, wiping down your stovetop, even refreshing your bathroom surfaces with this one simple solution. Keep it close at hand and you'll find yourself reaching for it again and again. Next, let's create a glass cleaner that will leave your windows and mirrors so sparkling they'll reflect the joy within. In a spray bottle, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch in this recipe is our secret weapon. Shake the bottle well before each use to ensure the cornstarch is evenly distributed. As you spray and wipe, envision the sun streaming through your freshly cleaned windows, filling your home with light and positive energy. This glass cleaner is biodegradable and safe for our waterways, sparking joy for our planet. Let's move on to the bathroom, a space where cleanliness and purity go hand in hand. For this recipe, we'll create a paste using baking soda and liquid Castile soap. Simply combine the baking soda and Castile soap until you form a paste, then gently scrub your sinks, tubs, and tiles. As you clean, release any negative energy and invite a sense of calm and serenity into your bathroom. Remember, a clean and tidy bathroom is a sanctuary, a space where you can relax and rejuvenate. Our floors, much like the foundation of our homes, deserve special attention. For a natural floor cleaner that will leave your floors sparkling and your home smelling fresh, we will use the power of heat and vinegar. In a bucket, combine 1 gallon of hot water with 1 cup of white vinegar. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to this mixture for a touch of fragrance. As you mop your floors, imagine yourself sweeping away any negativity or stress. This natural floor cleaner is a testament to the fact that we don't need harsh chemicals to keep our homes clean and tidy. Love for wood, the natural wood polish. To nourish and protect your wooden surfaces, we'll create a simple yet effective polish using olive oil and lemon juice. Combine 1 cup of olive oil with half a cup of lemon juice. Apply the polish to your wooden surfaces using a soft cloth, gently rubbing in the direction of the grain. This natural wood polish is a reminder that even in our cleaning routines, we can find moments of connection and appreciation for the things that spark joy. Freshness underfoot, the natural carpet deodorizer. For a natural and effective carpet deodorizer, we turn to our trusted friend, baking soda. Simply sprinkle baking soda liberally over your carpets, allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes, and then vacuum as usual. The baking soda will work its magic, neutralizing odors and leaving your carpets feeling fresh and clean. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Naturally Clean Clothes, the DIY laundry detergent. This DIY laundry detergent relies on the cleaning power of washing soda, borax, and Castile soap. Combine 1 cup of washing soda, 1 cup of borax, and 1 bar of grated Castile soap. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per load, adjusting as needed. This natural laundry detergent is gentle on your clothes, your skin, and the environment. As you fold your freshly laundered clothes, take a moment to appreciate each item, thanking it for its service. Embrace the joy of natural cleaning. As we conclude our journey into the world of natural cleaning recipes, I hope you feel empowered to create a home that is both clean and aligned with your values. These recipes are not merely about cleaning. They are about making conscious choices that spark joy for ourselves, our homes, and our planet. Share your experiences, your favorite recipes, and the joy you've found in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for spending time with us today, and until we see you next time, may your home be filled with joy.